So your visa got expired. What's next? Well, I've got the legal options most people don't even know it exists. So I'm going to share with you. Stick with me. This video could save you from a huge mistake. Hi, my name is Dost and this is my channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, subscribe and turn on your notification and share this video so that it can go a long way to help others. Thank you. First, what you have to do is make sure you extend your visa if eligible. So, some countries can give you some grace period for you to extend your visa. So, apply for visa extension. It's legal way. Now, apply before the grace period ends. So, if you know that your visa will expire in 6 months' time, start working on the processes of how to extend your visa and do it just that. Some countries will allow you, like I said earlier on, for valid reasons. For example, illness or travel restrictions in your country, or maybe when there is a coup d'etat in your countries. There, some countries can give you that restriction. Exemptions. Two, switch to a different visa type. For example, if you're on a work visa and the company has asked you to leave, or even if you are on a work visa but you don't, and the company is not going to renew your visa for you, so you have to prepare ahead. Find a school, a short course program in the country, or a long-term program like maybe a 1 year to 1.5 year 6 month programs, and switch to that. Do the applications and apply. This can help you to live in the country legally. If you also want to move to a different country, then you have to do that. So within a year or 6 months before the visa expires, you have to start planning on how to switch to a different visa. This is a legal way for you to stay in the country when your visa is about to expire, or you have 1 week for it to expire. Tourist visa, to volunteer or family reunification visa. So when you're on a tourist visa, which I've traveled to some countries with tourist visa, if I decided to live in those countries, I would have switched from the tourist visa to a volunteer visa, or switch from maybe the tourist visa to maybe a school or a student visa so that I can stay in those countries. But I didn't want to stay. I just wanted to go for a visit and learn something about the country system and how it works. And in the future, if I want to go there, I can go. So this is also legal and you can do that. Three, enroll in a school or maybe training program. There are training programs that you can enroll in, which can also help. So many countries around the world and offer student visas that allow part-time work. And one of the countries, Lithuania. I've read about Lithuania. I've did some research about Lithuania, and it's a good country that you also have to look at. You can study and work at the same time. I had a student offer from there, and I checked the admission, all the things I can do, what I cannot do, and I realized that it was really good thing to do if you're able to study there. So some countries allow that, and you also what they call it. You also need proof of enrollment and funds. So you have to make sure that before you take all these legal steps, plan ahead of time, research ahead of time. Even before 1 year, when I was in China, before my visa will expire, within 1 year, I have to make a decision what I have to do next. So that once the year is coming to an end, I have already made my decision to stay or to move on. If I have to move on, then I have to look at all the companies that I have to decide where to go and where not to go, and the possibility of getting the visa jobs there. So you need to plan, and research is very, very, very important. Very, very important. Then The fourth legal way that can help you to stay abroad if your visa expires is find a job with visa sponsorship. So find a job, your visa is about to expire and you don't know your left or right, whether you're going out or whether you're staying. So since I will not advise you to leave or overstay your visa in the country, which is not a good thing to do, then find a visa sponsorship job. A legitimate or a legal employer can help you with a job and can take care of all your legal documents, and also use platforms like Glassdoor, LinkedIn, Indeed, official embassy job boards to search for jobs as soon as possible. And this can help you. The fifth legal way is marry a citizen or legal resident ethically. I have to repeat, ethically. Don't do any fake marriage. It will ruin your life. If you get caught, you can be in serious immigration problem. You can be banned from the country, you can be fined, deported. So please do this ethically. A legitimate, all right, do this legally. Don't do any fake marriage thing. Marriage-based visa is possible in many countries. So make sure it's genuine. Make sure it's genuine. Don't just go in for the visa because you want the visa to find your way out. No, make sure that every step is genuine. Please, fake marriages are illegal and very, very risky. Don't ever involve yourself in those illegalities. So, next is humanitarian or the asylum claims. So for people fleeing war zones or war countries like Ukraine, Russia, Iran, Israel, now there are fights going on there. So you can apply for an asylum, all right, visa, and you can stay in the country legally. Process can be long when it comes to this visa, but it's and also not always approved. So you have to weigh your options and make sure that you do this. And remember, before you do this, make sure you are researching and planning ahead of time. Don't wait for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months for your visa to expire. At least 6 to 1 year. Have a fair idea where you want to go if your visa expires. Don't forget that. The last one I'll share with you, right? However, there are many ways, but based on my personal experience, the last one I will share with you is leave and enter the country legally. So you can leave and re-enter the country, and it's legal, all right? If your overstay was not something so serious, you can leave the country and then re-enter, and it's legal. So in some cases, leaving and reapplying for a new visa to enter the country, it's okay. And they can allow that for you to do. So they can allow that. So overstaying could get you banned, right? So you can watch my video that I made about why you shouldn't overstay your visa. And I'll put the link of the video in the description. You can watch it and take some lessons from that too. So please make sure that you follow these 7 legal ways if your visa is about to expire, and this can help you to stay in the country legally without having any problems. Now, please do me this favor. Click on that like button, please. The next is subscribe for me and share this video to your contacts for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My final message to you is that don't risk being an illegal immigrant or resident in another country. It's not good. Check my video about that. It's not worth it. It's not worth your time. It can create a long-term problems for you. And always find the path that keeps your stay legal or stay clean and stress-free. And most importantly, always follow the legal routes. Always follow the legal routes. Overstaying is risky. So be smart in your planning, be smart in your researching, and when you do that, this will open doors for you. Don't wait till 3 months, 1 month for your visa to expire before you think of what to do. At least 6 months to 1 year, I will advise that you look at that range and you start researching and applying and talking to other companies so that you can stay in the country. That is if you still want to stay in that country. If you don't want to stay in that country, you want to move to another country, you still have to plan and research to do that. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will see you again when you see me. Bye.